Mm. Okay, so I got one spicy double down. I think this is the spicy one, yeah. This shit is juicy. Did you hear that? It was like water. This is KFC sauce. I don't know what it is though. Do I want to try it? Maybe. I don't know what that is. But this is the spicy. On a spicy scale, 1 to 10. A 3? Like just above a spicy ketchup. That's what it's given. I'm not a big fan of pickles, personally. Sorry. I said no pickles, not no cabbage. Maybe. Do I no longer dislike pickles? I guess I'm gonna try this one without modifying it at all. This one has the cabbage, the spicy sauce, and the pickles. I like it. Oh my god. It brings like a freshness, and it doesn't taste bad anymore. Pickles used to have like, it tastes like a fresh, tastes more cucumbery than it does pickly. So what have you been up to? I've started lifting. I think I'm on week 6. And I've been doing like basic compound lifts with also like just a couple of accessories. So I like the cheese. not the biggest fan of the bacon. Sorry, bacon lovers. And I know it's protein, I know. But I'm just not a fan of it. I'm thinking I got lunch for tomorrow. I've had another double down. Fuck, I'm full. I can do this. Just get rid of some of this bacon. Because I just don't really want the bacon. I don't want the bacon. It's just the bacon that I don't want. Such juicy chicken. This was buffalo. Do you dare me to eat the rest of this? Do you dare me? You dare me? Well, you know if I accepted the dare because of the remaining time left, so. So my strength journey started. My bench press, actually, you laugh all you want, I don't want to admit it, but my bench press started with the bar. Like my first day was the bar, and then I got up to 20 pounds, like 2 10-pound plates. My squat was much better. I think I did 2 45s, like 145 on each side. On a Smith machine. So I was not ready for that, by the way, because like that was my first leg day. My squat was there. I was me just kind of like knowing that I wanted to train certain parts, knowing that I just wanted to get general strength, but not having a real program. So then like when I finally got my program, my bench was 20. My squat was actually 2 10s, so 20 on both sides, so 40 plus the 45 of the bar. So what is that? 85 pounds. I was squatting 85 pounds, deadlifting the same. I was deadlifting with. My first deadlift was just 2 10-pounds. And you know what? It was the middle of the night. So there was like nobody there. There was one guy there, I think. But also like I'd rather start at 2 10-pound plates and build my back than go with my ego and start at 245s or something. I don't even know, because I just definitely was not there. So yeah, I started off with basically the bar and 10 pound 20 pounds is what I started with my bar weight movements. And I am currently, I don't have my log with me, but I'm logging it, which is really good, because that's how I know that I'm getting stronger. I'm so fucking full. I have to save this for tomorrow. That's how I know that I'm getting stronger. And I really recommend those wraps. Those wraps were really, really good. I got the spicy, I got one of each of everything, of the new bacon, cheese, chicken sandwiches. I got the spicy and the regular, and then I also got of the double down. I got the spicy and the regular, and then also of the wraps. I got the classic and the spicy, I think is what they're done as. But yeah, like, highly recommend this. I do not recommend, honestly. I will not go back to KFC for this, but for that wrap, I would definitely go back to KFC for the wrap. And I've never tried their pot pies, so I've seen like Amberlynn Reed try the pot pies, so I kind of want to try the pot pies. And I've had the apple pies, but I want to get their cakes. They have like cakes, you guys. They just have fucking like cakes available to walk out of a fucking restaurant with. That's insanity to me. So I'm gonna try their cakes one of these days. Imagine just sitting down with like some cakes. I do have a sweet tooth. Chocolate is my weakness, as well as lemon, which I saw is what they had, chocolate and lemon. Anyway, I'm doing 4 days a week. I'm doing a push-pull split with legs. Not a push-pull legs, but like a push day and then a pull day. So like my push day, I started off with squats, barbell squats, and then I move on to a bench press, and then I do, the way that I put it in was I was gonna do like I thought that my gym had like an incline chest press, but it's just a regular chest press. So I've been doing the chest press machine, but like, if like, you know, I don't know, eventually I'll probably switch it up with like an incline bench press, maybe. I don't know. I started it like this, and so I'm still a newbie. Like I'm still very much a newbie. So like I just have to like follow the program through until I can no longer milk getting stronger the way that I'm doing it, is pretty much what I've decided to do. So I do my squat, I'm doing the bench press, I'm doing the chest press, and then I am hitting this, I think. Shoulder? What is this? This is a dumbbell something. Is this a lateral raise? This is not a lateral raise. Is this a lateral raise? No, this is like a, whatever this is, targeting the shoulders, doing this. Shoulder isolation at that point. So my compound movements, my like strength ones is like, you know, my squat is my big one because I'm strongest there. So, and it's like I'm really weak in my bench. And it's like, I guess because I'm so weak in my bench, I probably should put that one first to like really try and improve it. But it's like I told you, I started with like 210s, like to build my proper strength and form and all that, like my squat. I'm currently at 45 and a 10 on each side. So that is what? 45 is 90 plus another 20 is 110 plus the 45, the bar is 155. Is that what it is? I'm squatting 155, you guys, and I'm benching 125 plate on each side. So that is 50 plus 95 pounds. I'm benching 95 pounds for like 3 sets of like 10 kind of. I start to fail towards the end, so like I don't really count it as 10 like on my last set. Like on my second, so my first set I can probably get 12, and then on my second set I get like 9, and then on my third set I get like 8. So I personally feel like as soon as I get 12, 12, 12, that's when I'll move up in weight. So, anyways, those are my strength exercises, and then my isolation is when I'm doing the chest press. That's my chest isolation. At least I think it's supposed to be, but I also feel it in my arms because I have really weak arms. And then I'm doing the shoulder thingy, lateral raises. I don't know what this is. With the dumbbells, I'm currently at 15, like 3. I've got one set of 15, and then the second one I can maybe get up to like 10, and then maybe another 10 with like 15 dumbbells. God, this food is attacking me. Anyways, so like the other day I tried to grab like a 20-pound dumbbell, and it's like I started to hurt. My shoulders hurt, like, which is why I'm like, my bench is weak, and then also like these shoulder things are weak, because like they'll just randomly hurt. And it's like I'll occasionally get like some pain with my knees, but like it's not like the way that I feel it with my shoulders. And it's like, it's not a constant thing. It's just like, maybe it's just me getting sore like in the moment, because it's like I'm not really used to using them. Unsure. So I do the shoulders, and then I finish it off with hip thrusts. I'm currently at 125 on each side. With a small, like, it's not even like a... It's in a machine. It's not in like a bar. So it's like, I want like a really big chest. Like I want huge knockers. And I'd like, big shoulders too. And I want like that itty bitty waist. And I want a fat fucking ass. Which is why I gotta eat. Maybe not this bullshit, but that's why I gotta eat.